Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most fun and spooky Halloween decorations you can get your hands on, the best Hocus Pocus cupcake toppers. If you're looking to elevate your Halloween party or themed event, these cupcake toppers are a must-have. Whether it's a Halloween bash, a baby shower, or even a gender reveal, these toppers bring a playful, witchy vibe that's sure to be a crowd pleaser. These Hocus Pocus cupcake toppers come in a set of 36, featuring some iconic phrases from the classic Halloween movie, like, "I smell children," and "I put a spell on you." The toppers are designed with vibrant, glittery accents that shimmer and sparkle, making them a standout addition to your desserts. You'll find these toppers attached to bamboo sticks that make them easy to insert into cupcakes, cakes, or even cookies. What sets these toppers apart is the material. They're made from thick glitter card stock, which ensures they won't easily bend or lose their shape. The glitter effect is applied to the front, so you'll get that magical shine when guests look at your treats. The back is clean and white, maintaining a neat appearance from all angles. Each topper is a decent size, about 2.2 inches tall with the bamboo stick included, so they fit perfectly into most standard-sized cupcakes. The bamboo stick gives them a sturdy base, making them not only great for cupcakes but also perfect for fruit, ice cream, or other desserts at your party. Now, let's talk about how versatile these cupcake toppers are. Whether you're throwing a Halloween-themed birthday, a masquerade party, or even a haunted house get-together, these toppers can enhance any spooky event. They're also ideal for a Halloween-inspired baby shower or gender reveal party. Imagine surprising your guests with desserts decorated with these fun, witchy toppers. They're guaranteed to add an extra touch of magic to your celebration. When it comes to Halloween decorations, it's all about creating an atmosphere, and these toppers do just that. They are sure to spark conversations and bring lots of smiles. The combination of the playful Hocus Pocus quotes and the glittery, witch-themed designs makes them a perfect fit for anyone looking to add a little spooky fun to their event. Plus, they're super easy to use. Simply stick them into your cupcakes or cakes, and voila, instant Halloween magic. You don't have to be an expert decorator to create a beautifully themed spread. And with 36 toppers in the set, you'll have plenty to go around for all your desserts. At a price of $7.98, these toppers are not only affordable but also a great value for the quality and quantity you're getting. Whether you're hosting a small gathering or a larger party, this set will be enough to keep your treats looking magical and perfectly themed. In conclusion, if you want to make your Halloween treats a little extra special this year, the best Hocus Pocus cupcake toppers are a fantastic option. They're cute, easy to use, and, most importantly, they bring a touch of Halloween magic to your table. So, if you're planning a Halloween-themed event, don't miss out on these fun toppers that will make your cupcakes stand out. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews like this. See you next time.